Yeah. From the Peoria Public Library, and today I'm going to show you another simple STEM project called the Cup Glider. It's a really simple project that only takes a couple minutes to make, and I'll also show you how to make the slingshot for it as well. So the first things first is you tape the two cups together on the ends. Where they connect is where you want to run your tape. So the easiest way is probably to stack them like that and just get your initial tape on. So then you can run. That is your glider. That's what it should look like. Next, you're going to connect your rubber bands together. So at the end, your connection should look something like this. See? This is with 10 rubber bands, so you want about 10 rubber bands. It's a really long piece. Okay? The hardest part is just getting the trick down. So take a rubber band, have it horizontal, put another rubber band through it vertical. So horizontal, vertical. The one that's vertical, so this one right here, lift up, grab onto it. So it should be something like this. And then that opening from the vertical rubber band, you're just going to stick the horizontal rubber band through it. So 1, 2, 3, stick it through, keep a hold, and just pull. So now you have it knotted together. You're going to do the same thing with all the other rubber bands. And it's going to form a string. So for instance, see how this is all knotted together? So I want to stick these through. So this one, even though it's knotted with another 9 rubber bands, is going to be my horizontal one. Okay? And then my vertical one is knotted with another rubber band. So my horizontal is going to have my vertical go through. It's going to go up, so like that. And remember, this is not the opening I want on the side. This is the opening I want. So through the rubber band. Make sure it goes through both. Okay? So there's my opening. I'm going to have all my string go through there. So my entire string. So the end of the string of rubber bands is going to go right through there. And just pull it. So see, I added the 2. All of it went through.
To get started, put your rubber band in the middle. It has to be almost just directly in the middle. And all the rubber band goes all the way around in the same spot. Then put your finger underneath, and your fingers need to be in the middle, and off it goes.